Hi, my name is Darresa Rodriguez, and I am a member of the graduating class of 2023 and also have the honor of being valedictorian of the graduating class. I am a native New Yorker, born in Brooklyn, raised in Harlem, and now I live in the Bronx with my daughter, who is also graduating from high school this year. What inspired me to come back to school is something that I've always wanted to do. I always wanted to complete my education, but growing up, living in central Harlem, education was not a fundamental discussion. At an early age, at 14, I actually stopped going to school. I dropped out of high school, and I started working, because work was much more important than education. It was unfortunate, but it certainly taught me something. But once I had my daughter, it definitely made me feel like I needed to push education onto her. But I didn't feel comfortable pushing education without obtaining the education myself. So I spoke with one of my friends who graduated from CWE a few years back, and she informed me about CWE. And the same day I enrolled, which I was super excited about, and super nervous, because in the back of my head is, here I am, I'm over 35 years old. How am I going to compete with 20-year-olds in the same room learning? But I was so happy to find out that CWE is really a different experience. It is a huge community of people who understand that we're students who are coming back, who are non-traditional, and what was beautiful is that every other student had the same story as I did. We're coming back, we've already established our careers, we've already established our families, but we understand the importance of lifelong education. And here we are with our complete lives, still trying to achieve something that we kind of thought was impossible. CWE is, unlike other classes, other schools, unlike the main campus, is just a bunch of people who are eager to lifelong learning and are a part of a community where we want to learn, we want to grow into our intellectual capacities. And I appreciate the fact that I'd had an opportunity to continue learning here at CWE. And also, I am now continuing my education at CWE, finishing up my master's degree and applying to law school, which is something I never thought was possible or was in the cards for me. One thing I have learned about joining this community at the Center for Workers' Education at City College is that it's never too late. Here I am, over 35 years old, and with my daughter and a full job, and I am still able to take classes to complete my education. I've had other peers of mine who were retired and 70 and finishing their bachelor's degree alongside with me. And it's just so inspiring to remind ourselves that we can all still achieve our goals, and it doesn't matter your age, because age is a number that does not exist. And just don't hold yourself back from doing what you feel like is best for you.